Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to explore another type of vulnerability, which is Insecure DOR or Insecure Direct Object References. So what it means, this vulnerability is a type of access control vulnerability that arises when application uses user-supplied input to access objects directly. So what it actually means, and I'd like to use this video to explain and give you the practical demonstration. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then we can head over to Kali Linux VM. So the first is to choose the bug. What we are going to do in this video, Insecure DOR. DOR is a short of Direct Object Reference. Okay, let's click the button. So now, this page allows us to change a secret. We can, for example, like how are you, and to change. And the current user is B. And we can go to database by using PHP myadmin to see whether we have really successfully changed secret. Okay, let's go to PHP myadmin and the password is bug. Okay, and we can go to bWAPP database. The table is users, and we can browse this table. Yes, the current user is B. And now the secret has been changed to how are you, okay? So here, what this vulnerability allows us to do, and I think we can access or change secret for other user. We can call it direct object reference, okay? So what I mean, for example, I'd like to change the secret for this user, or maybe this user test is a simpler username. So how to do? We can take advantage of Burp Suite. And I've already installed Foxy Proxy plugin and configured, some sort of proxies, okay? For example, you can go to options and you can, get the, right now I just have one proxy configured. Okay, let me close up. So now we can turn the proxy to Burp Suite and then we can launch the Burp Suite Community Edition. Click Next and start Burp Suite. Okay, and at the top we can navigate to Proxy tab and enable Intercept option. So now let's go back to the browser and we can change, for example, now our goal is to change secret for another user, and I can test. Right now, the secret for this user test is the word. So we can, for example, we can change it to word, double word, okay? and we can click change button. And then, Burp Suite has intercepted the request sent from the browser for us, right? So now we can, why we can call it insecure DOR vulnerability. Here, the request body contains the username. So we can change this username to someone else, for example, like test. Okay, and forward it. It's done. Actually, the secret of B is not changed this time. Instead, another user has changed his secret. So now let me disable intercept option and go to the PHP admin and refresh. You will see, yes, test. His secret has been changed, and the B keeps the same. Okay. So we can, this is very dangerous vulnerability which allow attacker to manipulate information. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.